That is not dirt. That's not dust you're seeing. No, it's not. Welcome to the Cheryl Technology Channel. My name is Chris. I'm your host, and today we are going to be doing something very special. We're going to be installing my Optane drive in my desktop. And then we're going to install Windows on it and all that business, and there's not dust everywhere. So let's just get right into it. So we're going to unplug our GPU here. This is an RTX 4070 that I bought for, I think it's 600 bucks. And I have made countless videos of this thing. I've played countless video games. I can't even tell you how many things I've done with this thing. It's been a staple for me. It's done a lot of stuff. Let's put it that way. Okay. Let's pull that out. Now, some of you that know computers are going to be asking, Chris, why didn't you have a little thing? Well, yeah, if you notice, it's missing. Because that card is so big, you can't get anything down in there. Now, if you look right here, this is the card right now that is running my storage. So we're going to pull this out, and we are going to put in the other one. So the Optane drive is the one we want in there now. So we're going to pull that out. Now, this is an X8 because it has two cards. So this one is going to go right in its place. So check this out, y'all. Now, there's actually a couple things I really don't know. One of those things is the drivers. I don't know what drivers I'm going to need for the motherboard. That's one of the unknowns for me. I don't know the answer to that question. So now we're going to put in our graphics card. This thing is chunky, dude. Look. I have really big hands. Look at that. That card's bigger than my hand. It's humongous. Let's put it that way. So let's go. Let's put that back into there. Okay, we're going to get that back in there. There we go. And then we're going to screw this thing back down with our little screws. Now, for those of you who don't know much about computers, the reason I'm doing this, right, is because basically right now I am running these are just standard basic. I bought this off Amazon for like 18 bucks. And it works good for what it does, but I need something a little bit faster. So underneath here, what I actually should probably do. So underneath here, there's a PCI Express slot. Now, what I can tell you is that putting in an NVMe, or not an NVMe, crap, a PCI Express slot, it is faster. I don't know why it's faster, but it is much, like way faster. Okay, so now that we've got all that put back together, y'all think that's a big enough heat sink? That heat sink, man, I wish I could see it. Humongous. Okay, so I'm going to stop the video there, and then we will continue on the computer. I will continue over here at the computer. We're going to now have some drivers that I'm going to try to install. I don't know which driver it is. And if they don't work, I'll do it on my machine over here. Crap, hang on. That's the wrong one. Right there. I'll do it on my Mac. But see, that's my computer right there. So that's the drive installed. It's very simple, very easy. Easy to install. It's really simple. Anybody can do it. And until we get back, I'll see you on just a minute.